Welcome to Smiling Santa. Let's learn about aquatic animals. Let me show them to you. This is a starfish. It has a star-shaped body. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish. Jellyfish. The most well-known transparent creatures are jellyfish. 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 Squid. A squid has 10 legs and a sharp beak. Some squids can change color of their skin. S-Q-U-I-D. Squid. Octopus. An octopus has 8 legs and 3 hearts. Octopuses can also change their skin colors. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Whale. Do you know when a whale breathes out, it appears like a fountain of water? W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Turtle. A turtle's shell is protection from many of the dangers of the world. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Seahorse. Seahorses have excellent eyesight. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. Clownfish. Do you know? Female clownfish is larger than male clownfish. C-L-O-W-N-F-I-S-H. Clownfish. Shrimp. A shrimp has a bent body. Shrimp. S-H-R-I-M-P. Shrimp. Dolphin. Dolphins have very large brains and they are very intelligent and smart. Dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Clam. A clam is a shellfish. It has hard shells. Clam. C-L-A-M. Clam. Manta ray. Huge wings. They swim with their mouth wide open. Manta ray. M-A-N-T-A-R-A-Y. Manta ray. Crab. Crabs mostly run and walk sideways. Crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Seal. Seals have a layer of fat on the skin that keeps them warm in cold water. Seal. S-E-A-L. Seal. Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark. Do you know sharks do not have bones? Flying fish. Flying fish glide over water to escape from predators. Flying fish. F-L-Y-I-N-G-F-I-S-H. Flying fish. Learning aquatic animal is fun. Learning is fun with your own Smiling Santa. Smiling Santa loves you. You also show your love and like the video and say happy smiling.